Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are safe and healthy. So, as we have done, there's a girl by the tracks, which was written by Devan Kanal. Is a writer in English. He writes short stories in English for journals and magazines like the Reader's Digest. Now, the gist of the lesson here, children. This lesson tells us about the brave act done by Baleshwar Mishra. Roma Talreja, a 21-year-old, worked as a call center executive in Mumbai. She was a BCom graduate from Pune, working since 2 years in Mumbai. Loving her job, talking and connecting to customers, and making new friends. What was her job here, children? She was working in a call center executive. Okay, call center. On December 10th, when did the incident took place? On December 10, 2010, she went to the cafeteria after work. She shared jokes with her friends, laughed and made plans for the weekend. Then she headed home looking forward to a meal with her parents and a chat with her fiance Vijay. You know this. Next, when we come to Baleshwar Mishra, is a 20-year high school dropout, had come from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh to Mumbai in search of what? In search of a job. He lived with his brothers. He spent most of his time with his friends, grabbed their lunch and watching movie. He was heading home on that particular day. So here what happened next? Roma boarded the ladies compartment at 6:32 p.m. in a Mumbai suburban electric train. She stood near the door. The compartment was full. Trying to find some space to stand, she got pushed, lost her tennis foothold, and was thrown out of the coach. She fell with a thud. The clattering roar of the train muffled the sound. Later on, in a train that ran in from the opposite direction. Who saw this, children? Baleshwar Mishra saw her falling from the train. He pulled the red emergency chain. When the train slowed down, he jumped off, and all the passengers expressed shock and surprise. Later on, but none volunteered to help Baleshwar. Now Baleshwar had to sprint down a few meters to find Roma in a black salwar kameez, and she was sprawled near the tracks. Sprawled means, as I told you all, lie stretched. She had to fall down the tracks here. Later on, what happened here? So here it took place in such a way, and later she had fallen there, and he went and asked, "Behenji, aap theek hai?" But there was no response. Then he had to say the silent prayer. He picked her up, all of 5 feet 2 inches and 50 kilos, carefully crossed the tracks. So you can see there, carefully they crossed the tracks and reached the main road, where he implored the motorist. Implore means he requested the motorist, and here no one stopped and helped him in carrying her to a hospital. So later on here, the next thing is like a Gujarati speaking middle aged person. A Gujarati speaking, as I told you all, a Gujarati speaking middle aged man stopped his tempo truck, and Baleshwar placed Roma at its rear, means back of the truck. Meanwhile, a cop visited, advised him to take her to Airoli. So what happened? Till then the cop, he came over there he advised Baleshwar to take her to Airoli. But Baleshwar, did he agree, children? No, he disagreed, since Airoli was how many kilometers far? 10 kilometers far. So they took her to a nearby hospital. Baleshwar knew. So what did Baleshwar do? Did he listen to the cop? No. He just took her to the nearby hospital. So what happened in the nearby hospital? After the on-duty physician could not treat her properly, he just gave the first aid, and he advised them to take her to a multi-speciality hospital. They took Roma to the multi-speciality hospital and the research center in Gansoli. So they had to take her to that place, and here en route Roma had opened her eyes for a few minutes, and from her Baleshwar could collect the name and even the cell phone number of her brother. What did Baleshwar do, children? As I told you all, next Baleshwar he had to call he took the mobile from the tempo truck driver, and he had to call Roma's brother Dinesh, and after calling him said the fact what had happened and informed him about Roma being taken to Gansoli hospital here. After dropping her at the hospital, the truck driver left and Baleshwar stayed till her brother arrived. Okay, so here Baleshwar stayed till her brother arrived. Dr. Anil Agrawal. Who was he, children? Dr. Anil Agrawal, the medical director of the hospital, admitted her immediately without any paperwork. Why did he admit her immediately without any paperwork? Because she had a deep cut in her head and with a few sutures. Even the x-rays did not reveal severe injuries, and no lasting damages were there for Roma. Next, what happened, children? Like as he did, and even Dinesh had asked Baleshwar to go to revisit the spot once again. So here he had to revisit the spot where she had lost her cell phone as well as her handbag also. And here what happened? A railway employee had found her belongings and kept them safe. So here Baleshwari went and collected it, and Roma was very grateful to Baleshwar for saving her life. And after Roma recovered fully, Baleshwar told her he was surprised to see the people of Mumbai afraid. Why they were afraid, children? They didn't want to get involved to police station or to the court, perhaps out of fear of getting trapped in the court or with the police. So he told Roma that he had helped her since it could have been him or someone else in the same situation tomorrow. So what did Baleshwar? Why did he help? Even he told that since he wanted to help her to save her life, it might be today Roma and tomorrow it might be you or me in the same site. This was his intention, children. Now I hope everyone you understood the lesson, and I want you all to read the lesson. In my next class I'll ask you to read. So have a nice day, children. Stay safe at home. Bye, children.